So for 6.2.4, it says, how can I represent it? Using a table to write equations from word problems. Now, part of this I can't necessarily apply because I did not teach you that 5D process to be able to solve equations. It's basically a glorified guess and check method. And like I said in other videos, I'm not a big fan of guess and check. I think it's really time consuming and honestly more work than actually doing the method that I'm going to show you once you have it down. So we're going to be writing equations and solving them from a word problem. So we're not doing the lake problem. We are doing this problem right here, 6-94, go for the gold. As you saw in the previous problem, you're welcome to look at it. Sometimes organizing your thinking into that table to solve a word problem involves a lot of work. Sometimes the tables are very complicated where the numbers require many trials to find the answer. So how can your new equation solving skills help you to find word or help you to solve those word problems? We're going to read the following word problem and then answer the questions below. So starting right here, it says, while looking at the country of Jamaica's results from the 2008 Beijing Olympics, Gemma noticed that the number of gold medals Jamaica received was twice the number of silver medals. She also realized that Jamaica received one fewer bronze medal than silver medals. Altogether, Jamaica received 11 medals. So she started doing the table like is in the previous chapter that we did not, you did not learn yet, and that honestly, I don't teach anyway. But we do need to know, what did she define X to represent? So what is X for this problem? So I can look at this table right here and I can get that answer, but that's not necessarily going to help me in the future. I'm looking at the word problem up here, and I'm really looking for what is the type of metal that seems to be the key in the relationship with the other metals. Sometimes I say it's the one that's repeated the most, but it's not always that case. But in this case, it is. So it says, I noticed the number of gold medals received was twice the number of silver medals. So we have gold medals once, silver medals twice. She also realized that Jamaica received one fewer bronze medals, so that's once, than silver medals, twice. So we have one gold, one silver mentioned, one bronze, second silver. So that is what our X is going to be, is the number of silver medals. And this is important so that when we get to the end and we know what X is equal to, we know what it is that we have measured. So Bravo says, how did she represent the number of gold and bronze medals? So again, I can look right here for that, but I'm going to look at the problem itself. So we have, she noticed that the number of gold medals Jamaica received was twice the number of silver. So we have twice the number. So gold then would be twice silver. So remember, if X is silver, that is twice silver, or double, times 2. And then we also need to know what bronze is. So if we go right back here, it says one fewer bronze than silver. So again, I have silver, one fewer, so I have 1. And if I'm talking about one fewer than silver, I'm going to subtract.